I'm Ron Henriksen, the District Manager in Northeast Kansas for District 51. We're here at Biehler Farms in Harrington, Kansas, Dickinson County, and we are getting ready for his retirement sale on November the 3rd with an inspection day on October 31st, the Monday before the sale. Here at Biehler Farms, we have a really nice lineup of equipment selling November 3rd in Larry Biehler's retirement sale. Larry has been very meticulous with his equipment. It's always been shedded. He and his brother ran a shop here on the farm where they worked on a lot of John Deere equipment over the years. It's really clean equipment, very low hours. One of the features of this sale is a 2008 John Deere 8230. that has 702 original hours. So Larry bought that tractor brand new, and I tell you what, you'll drive the wheels off your pickup trying to find a better tractor than that one. When we were shooting the video, the cap was still on the PTO shaft. It had never been used, so unbelievable 8230 John Deere tractor. Also selling is a very low-hour 7810 front wheel assist with duals. The tractor has just a little over 1,300 hours, and just hard to find one with that low of hours. Also selling is a really nice 4050 tractor that is a quad range tractor, has duals on it. Again, a low-hour tractor. Also selling is a 4030 tractor that Larry used to pull his baler. And speaking of the baler, it is a John Deere 569 baler with only 3,300 bales through it. So a really nice lineup of equipment, including in that is a self-propelled John Deere swather, a really nice rake that is selling to complete that hay lineup. And then also, I forgot to mention, a John Deere 3010 that Larry has restored. So it's got a beautiful paint job on it, just a really nice tractor. Also selling is a 9500 John Deere combine that has low hours, low separator hours, along with two heads. We have a flex head and a rigid head selling. When we talk about the trucks, there's a GMC truck that actually has a John Deere motor in it. And just again, selling November 3rd in Harrington, Kansas. We will have an inspection day on October 31st here on the Biehler farm.